All right. We have some ackee, saltfish, shrimp. You have to have a Scotch bonnet pepper. What is this, babe?
I don't know.
Tell the people what it is. Bro, you're on 16 seconds, bro.
Cook up rice.
It's not cook up rice.
Seasoned rice.
It's a seasoned rice?
Palau.
People them gonna say the rice not yellow enough. That's what they're gonna say.
So don't eat it.
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna tell you how it is.
You don't need to try it. I'm gonna eat it.
Okay.
Do y'all eat the Chinese food rice when it's not yellow or brown?
What, the white, the seasoned?
There's a
the
white
fried rice?
fried rice, you know, in Chinese food.
Hold on, maybe you need more light.
You don't need light, boy. You don't need light. Dang. You want me to turn